If I just open Safari web browser and then open any web page, let's open apple.com, and if we just right click on it, here we don't get the option for inspecting elements. So how do you enable inspect elements options in Safari for Mac? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to enable inspect elements and other developer tools in Safari for Mac. In order to enable inspect elements in Safari for Mac, what you have to do is you have to first of all open Safari, and from top left menu items, click on Safari. Here when you click on Safari, you get various options, and among these you have to go to settings. You can also alternatively press command and comma for opening settings for Safari web browser. Now let's go to settings, and here you get various tabs, and among these tabs you have to go to advanced section, and when you click on advanced, here you have to scroll, and on the bottom you'll see the option for showing features for web developers. So you just have to check this box to enable this, and when you check this box, a new developer tab will be enabled here, and you can play with these settings as well if you want to, but we don't have to do much about it because we just wanted to enable inspect elements, and turning on that would have added inspect elements in Safari web browser. So let's test it, and to verify we have to just secondary click or right click on it, and when we right click you'll notice there has been inspect elements added here. Now if we click, this will open the inspect elements tool with all those settings and options. So this is how you enable inspect elements settings in Safari for Mac. I hope you found this video helpful, and by the way, if you want to learn various Safari tips, tricks and features, make sure to tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.